in the 18 in the row next 18 in the row next is and so on and so on. In how many rows? In how many rows? How many rows are the 200 logs? Are the 200 logs placed and how many logs? How many logs are in the top row? How many logs are in the top row? Okay, no need to draw a figure. Okay, I did not draw a figure. In 200 logs stacked in the following manner. Total one దగ్గర 200 మొద్దులు ఉన్నాయంటున్నానా అయితే 200 logs in the bottom, 20 logs in the bottom row. అయితే ఫస్ట్ బాటమ్ రో లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయంటే 20 logs ఉన్నాయి. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. These are 20 logs in the bottom row. After that 19 in the next row. Next row will consist of 19. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19 in this second row. Okay, 18 in the row next row will consist of 18, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Next row will consist of 18 logs. In this same process total ఎన్ని logs ఉన్నాయంటే 200 logs ఉన్నాయంట. అయితే how many logs are in the top row? అయితే పైన టాప్ రో ఎన్ని logs ఉన్నాయి అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఫస్ట్ విల్ రో number of logs in each row. Number of logs in each row are, okay, first bottom row will consist of 20, after that next one 19, next one 18 and so on logs will consist. That is will observe 20 comma 19 comma 18 and so on are in arithmetic progression, and so on are in arithmetic progression. 20 comma 19 comma 18 and so on are in arithmetic progression. Why? Because of all the common difference values are equal. 19 minus 20 is minus 1, 18 minus 19 is minus 1. After we will write the first term and common difference there. First term small a is equal to 20. After we'll write their common difference. D is equal to a2 minus a1. That is nothing but 19 minus 20 is equal to minus 1. 90 minus 20 is equal to minus 1. We'll observe. By the given problem, 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. That means we will given Sn is equal to 200 will given. Sn is equal to 200 will given. We know one formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d will write. Sn is nothing but 200 is equal to n by 2 into, what about the value of a? Here given a value is 20 plus n minus 1 into d value is minus 1. That is what will write 200 to 400 is equal to n into 40 minus n plus 1. That is I will write 400 is equal to n into 41 minus n will write again we'll multiply in this one. 400 is equal to 41n minus n square. This value will become this side, that is I will write n square minus 41n plus 400 will become 0. 400 will become 0. That is, I will write in this given one. Okay, their multiplication and their addition will satisfy how much? 400 will become 400. Their multiplication will satisfy 400. Their addition will satisfy minus 41. I will take minus 25 and minus 16. Minus into minus plus 25 16 so 400. After that minus 25 minus 16 is minus 41. That is I will write n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. I will common n, remaining will write n minus 25. Again will common 16, remaining will write n minus 25 equal to 0. That is the common term. N minus 25 into n minus 16 will become 0. That is the given value. N is equal to 16 or 25. N is equal to 16 or 25. One more problem there. Here, observe n does not is equal to 25. Why? Because of number of rows only consist of 20 rows there. N does not 25 rows there. That is n does not is equal to 25. Finally, we will take n is equal to 16. We know the value n. We know the value n. After we will find the last row will consist of the last row. What we'll find in this one? Okay, how many logs are there in the top row? Top row will consist of how many logs? That is, I will write Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l will write. Sn is nothing but 200 is equal to n is 16 by 2 into a value is 20 plus l will write 2 1s 2 8 16. That is 200 is equal to 160 plus 8l will write. After that 8l is equal to 200 minus 160 is nothing but 40. That is l is equal to 8 1. What about the value? 8 3 is 24. Again we'll write 8 1 8 5 is 40. That is l is equal to 5. L is equal to 5. That is I will write there are how many logs in the top row? That is top row has 5 logs. Top row has 5 logs. After now, I will discuss next one. After now, I am going to the last problem in arithmetic progression. That is in a bucket, and ball race. In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed. A bucket is placed at the starting point. At the starting point. Starting point, which is 5 meters from the 5 meters from the first ball, which is 5 meters from the first ball, and the other ball and the other balls are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. Apart in a straight line. After that, there are 10 balls. There are 10 balls in the line. There are 10 balls in the line. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will draw. This is the given figure. This is bucket. Okay. First has 5 meters there. After 3 meters. After 3 meters. Again after 3 meters. Here, one person there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total 10 balls are consist in given straight line. Also, a competitor starts from the bucket. A competitor starts from the bucket. Picks up the nearest ball. Runs back with it. Drops it in the bucket. Runs back to pick up the next ball. comma, runs to the bucket, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues, in the same way, to continues in the same way until all the balls are in the basket, are in the bucket, are in the bucket. What is the total distance? What is the total distance? Total distance the competitor has to run. The competitor has to run. Hint also will given. To pick up first ball and second ball. To pick up first ball and second ball. The total distance in meters. The total distance in meters run by a commutator is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 into 3, 2 into 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3 and so on. This is all is problem only. In a bucket and ball race, this is the given bucket and these are balls in a bucket. Okay, he is placed at the starting point. Given one is placed on the starting point. After that, which is 5 meters from the first ball. Which is 5 meters from the first ball, and other balls all are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. This is also 3 meters. This is also 3 meters. Again, this is also 3 meters. This is also 3 meters, and remaining 9 place values are consist of 3 meters. 3 meters. Okay, there are total 10 balls in the given straight line. A commutator starts from the bucket. Pick up the nearest ball. Runs back with them. ఎప్పుడైతే వాడు దగ్గర ఉండే బాల్ పట్టుకుంటాడో వాడు వెనక్కి వెళ్ళాలి అంట. దట్ ఈస్ ద గివెన్ కండిషన్. డ్రాప్స్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద బకెట్. అప్పుడు అతని దగ్గర బకెట్ లో ఉండే ఒక బాల్ ను తీసేయాలి. ఆల్సో రన్స్ బ్యాక్ టు పికప్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ బాల్. తర్వాత అక్కడ బాల్ పడేసి నెక్స్ట్ బాల్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళొచ్చు అంటున్నాడు. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ రన్స్ టు ద బకెట్ టు డ్రాప్ ఇన్ ఇట్. వన్స్ అగైన్ రన్స్ టు ద బకెట్ టు డ్రాప్ ఇట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2 దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళినట్లయితే బకెట్ నే డ్రాప్ చేయాలంటున్నాడు. అండ్ he continues in the same way until all the balls in the basket. ఇదే సేమ్ వే ప్రాసెస్ అయితే ఆ బకెట్ లో టోటల్ బాల్స్ వేయడానికి ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది, అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎట్ ద కామ్యుటేటర్ హ్యాస్ టు రన్. అయితే ఈ కామ్యుటేటర్ బకెట్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసరికి టోటల్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత అవుతుంది అని అడుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ to pick up the first ball, the total distance a commutator to pick up to pick up the first ball, to pick up the first ball, the total distance, the total distance, the total distance run by a, run by a commutator, competitor, competitor is equal to, already will given 2 into 5 is equal to 10 meters, 10 meters. After we'll write to pick up, to pick up the second ball, second ball, the total distance, the total distance run by a, run by a competitor is equal to 2 into 5 plus 3, that will become 2 into 8 will become 16 meters. 16 meters will be given. Okay, distances run by the commutator. First we'll write distances, distances run by the, run by the commutator are, first we'll run 10, after that 16, after that 22, and so on are in arithmetic progression. Why? Because of their common difference values are equal. First I will write their first term. I will write their first term, small a is equal to 16. So I am sorry, small a is equal to 10. After we'll write their common difference, common difference d is equal to 16 minus 10, that will become 6, that will become 6. Okay, number of balls in the line, that is number of, number of balls in the line, small n will give, they are 10 balls in the given straight line, 10 balls in the given straight line. By the problem, what will find? By the problem, what will find? What is the total distance the commutator has to run? That is, I will take the total distance, the total distance the commutator, the commutator has has to run, has to run. Sn is equal to question mark. Sn is equal to question mark. I will write their formula. Sn is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know a is equal to 10, d is equal to 6, after n is equal to 10. After n is equal to 10, we'll substitute in this one. That is, S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 9 into 6 will write. That is, the given value is 5 into 20 plus 9 6 54. That is, the given value is 74 into 5. 5 4 20. 5 7 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. That is, the given value is 370 meters. 370 meters. That is, the total distance the commutator has to run is 370 meters. 370 meters. Write this one. After now, I will discuss the relative bits in arithmetic progression. Okay. After now, I will discuss the relative bits in arithmetic progression. That is the first one is what is given 13 comma 8 comma 3 comma minus 2 and so on. In this arithmetic progression, in this arithmetic progression, find their common difference. Find their common difference. After we'll give here their options. A is -5, B is 5, C is 10, D is -4. After that, second one is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and so on. Sum to 10 terms is sum to 10 terms is sum to 10 terms is here first one will give 5050, second one 505, third one 55, fourth one 50. After now I am going to third one, that is if small a is the first term, small a is the first term and d is the common difference of d is the common difference of an AP and P, then the 15th term is your first one will give a plus 15d, option B will give a minus 15d, option C will give a minus 14d, option D will give a plus 14d. Okay, after now I am going to next one, that is in an arithmetic progression, nth term is 2n plus 5, then the first term is will give some options. Here first one is A7, B5, C0, D2. After now I am going to fifth one, that is the sum of first 8 terms of 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. 3, 9, 12 and so on. Here the first one, A is 180, B is 108, C is 54, D is 90. Observe. 13, 8, 3, minus 2 and so on are in arithmetic progression. I will explain. First answer here will give A1 is equal to 13, A2 is equal to 8, A3 is equal to 3 and A4 is equal to minus 2. Already given term are in arithmetic progression. I will write their common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 will write. That is the given value is nothing but 8 minus 13. This is nothing but minus 6. This is nothing but minus 5. I am sorry. This is minus 5. Okay, their common difference is minus 5. Option A is correct. After now I will discuss second one. I will explain their second one solution. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Sum to 10 terms means first we will write 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are in arithmetic progression. Here we will write first term A is equal to 1. After we will write their common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here we will find sum to 10 terms means we will find Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum to 10 terms means I will take n is equal to 10. That is I will write n by 2 into where a value is 1 plus 9 into where d value is also 1. That is the given value is 10 by 2 into 9 plus 2 will become 11. 2 ones to 5. 5 into 11 is 55. Second answer is 55. Option C is correct. Observe. After now I am going to third one. if small a is the first term and d is the common difference of ab, d is the common difference of ab, then 15th term that must be written as a plus 14d. Option D is exactly correct. Option D is exactly correct. After now, I am going to put the solution. In an arithmetic progression, nth term is an is equal to an is equal to 2n plus 5 will given. 2n plus 5 will given. Then the first term will observe. Nth term is given. We have to find out their first term means n is equal to 1 will take. We have to find out their fifth term means n will take 5. Here by the problem we find the first term means n is equal to 1. Even 1 can be written as a1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3. That's nothing but 7. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. After the fifth one is the sum of first 8 terms of given series. First we'll write their given series 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on are in arithmetic progression where the given first term a is equal to 3, d is equal to 6 minus 3, that is nothing but 3. We will take the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But by the problem, you'll find sum of first 8 terms, that is S8 is equal to 8 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 7 into 3 will write 2 1, 2 4, that is 4 into 6 plus 21, that is nothing but 27 into 4. 4 7 28, 4 2 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. That is the given value is 108. Option B is exactly correct. We will write this one. Okay, no? Today we completed arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is problems and related objective bits are also completed. Okay. Tomorrow I will start with geometric progression. Tomorrow I will start with geometric progression. Today class is completed. Okay. Tomorrow I will start geometric progression. Can I see you next class?